So, right in your members area at the very top, where you see this green banner going across the top, you see that the second word up here is support. So, whenever you tap this button or this link, it will take you straight to our Ufulu Child Resource Center. And this is where you'll find all sorts of frequently asked questions, FAQs, things like that for everything from the Thrive Club coaching program and beyond. And if by chance, whenever you can type into the search bar something, like let's say that we want to figure out, how to access something. If your question doesn't show up here, then all you have to do is submit a new ticket. So how you can do that is just tap on this button, put in your email, put in your subject line, and then right in here put in the description of what's going on, so how we can best help you, what's going on, what you need help with, and then attach a file. So here, whenever you tap here, you'll be able to attach a screenshot or a picture or anything else that might be helpful for getting you the solution that you need. Now, whenever you tap submit, it'll send it our way, and then we will get to work on your solution. We'll either send you a video or we'll just respond via email if it's a super quick thing. And that is how this works. So I hope this helps. So I hope that you really enjoyed this quick tutorial. And if you have any questions regarding what we just covered at all or anything beyond the scope of what we covered, feel free to anytime either email us at support@ufuluchild.com, or you can always tap the support button at the top of your members area whenever you log into your Thrive Club members area. And I can't wait to serve you at the highest level and go crush your goals. Enjoy your day. You got this. High five. Psh. Good job. Bye.